What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're riding the HRC with High Road Comics. And today I have a priority mail massive unboxing. And on the screen here, you'll see a little hint. I got Journey into Mystery. As you know, it has so many ties to Thor. So, hint right here. This is a Thor unboxing. This is crazy because the shipping was free, and they ended up paying $20 for shipping, which is crazy. Yikes! Look at this right here. Hope the comic's not damaged because I could stick my finger in there. So I'm gonna actually open it upside down because I don't have time to black out my address. And let's go ahead and see what I got. I'm super excited for this one. This one includes a few grails, so you could probably guess what it is. And I ended up ordering this before the news broke out. More hints for the Guardians of the Galaxy 3. Well, it might just be rumors, but holy moly. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out 60 issues of goodness. Holy moly. And it was packed very well. I'm going to give them 5 stars. This video might take just a little bit long time. Where do I start? So he already told me that they were going to be double bagged. So check it out. Thor Annual number 12. Woo! Woo! So excited. Thor Annual number 11. Yeah, I don't know what the best way to do this is, so I'm just gonna do it. Thor Annual number 10. This is crazy because I forgot. There was actually only 4 issues in here that I was like super excited for. Thor Annual number 9. And here you go. Let's see. The Mighty Thor number 356. I'll be honest, I don't know if I'm going to read these anytime soon, but the day I do, I'm going to be a happy camper. Thor 355. $354, $353, $352. Look at that Beta Ray Bill, $351. $350. This is a fantastic cover. You got 2 Thors. $349. I didn't know it was a whole run. I thought it was just random issues. $348. $347. And these were advertised as fine. Yeah, there's some creases, but these could totally be pressed out. Not like I know anything about that. $346. $345. You know what we're getting to. $344. Balder the Brave. $343. The Hand of Death. $342. Sorry, Pop. I'll have to let you out in a sec. $341. I hope I'm recording right now. Oh man. $340, which is the conclusion of a story arc. $339. Do you know what this is? This is the origin of Stormbreaker. My son is gonna flip his shit when he sees that I have these. I don't care if the grades are poor. I'm probably gonna get these graded. At least the Beta Ray Bill stuff. $338. If you don't know where my intro is from, you might know now. So I totally did a parody. Whosoever holds this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. Well, I had to make it a little bit political correct and have something to do with my channel. But check it out. This is my favorite cover out of all of them. We got the two Thors battling over the hammer. Oh man.
Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
Oh man. And this is it. Wait, where is it? It's not here. Where is Beta Ray Bill? Where's the first appearance? Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o. Wait. Haha! Just kidding. JK. First appearance, Beta Ray Bill, number 337. Wow! And it's a newsstand edition. I've seen... Oh man. I know we don't talk about how much we pay, but like, this whole lot I paid less than what this is going for now because of the hype. And I've been wanting this for a while. It's already been a little pricey, I think, in my opinion. But the reason I wanted this so bad is because on Twitter, Donnie Cates said, I gotta go back and look for it. If I have time, I'll put it on here. He said that his favorite character right now to be writing is Beta Ray Bill in Guardians of the Galaxy. So, damn. Holy shit. Should I just stop it here? Just kidding. I got Thor 336, Emo Thor, 335, 334, 333. I remember reading this. I don't know what it's about, but I remember reading it. Wow. Looks like the centerfold's in there. Oh, that's just the other comic. Sorry, I don't know what I'm talking about. Too excited. 332. 331. There's Rainbow Road. I'm on this Thor kick right now. Let me get this stack out. Oh shoot. Just kidding. Ooh, it's sticky. It is so sticky right now. 330, I'm gonna buy bags and boards for these, like right now. See you later. Not even gonna finish. 329. Oh, whatever's on this. Oh, it's some kind of tape. 328. 327. Sorry about this glare, didn't even realize it. There you go. Sport. 327. 326. I can't believe I have a whole run. 325. 324. I'll try to speed it up. I'm sorry. 323. UK. 322. Fight a friend. Thor versus Heimdall. Guardian of the Rainbow Bridge. Man, oh man. 321. Mic check, 321. Get it? 320. 319. Zaniac. Wow. 318. 317. Do you hear that? Ooh. 316. Side by side with the invincible Iron Man. 315. And I only bought this because of the Beta Ray Bill arc. 314. Drax. Oh man. 313, which one of my next goals right now, like I've been on this Amazing Spider-Man kick. One of my next goals right now is to just get Iron Man 54 and 55, especially before Guardians of the Galaxy 3 comes out, the spec. But those are affordable compared to some of the higher end grails from Amazing Spider-Man. There's Tur Battle for Valhalla. 311. 310. Mephisto. 309. I'm sorry that these are double-sided, otherwise I'm gonna have to keep flipping. 308. Frost Giants. 307. 306. Firelord. 305. Please let me know if there are any keys in here that I'm not like drawing attention to. I guess I don't know my Thor very well. 304. The Wrecking Crew. Sick. Sick. That is awesome. 303. 302. So now when I'm going to cons, guess what I'm going to be doing? Picking up Banshees of the Mighty Thor. Locust. 301. 300. I have, this is like a double. I have it in my box of goodies where my son picked a box for $20. 300th issue, Toys R Us, RIP. $2.99. Ooh, this Marvel comic could be worth $2,500. $2.98. That dragon is sick. $2.97. The Sword of Siegfried. And before I show you what this is, let me draw attention to my least favorite Star Trek movie. Sorry. Boring. Oh, look at that ad. $2.93. Yeah, these are random now. $2.81. And finally, $2.46. Fury of Fire. So yes, thank you. Let me see how much time I've taken of yours. So we are now at 13 minutes. That's not bad. 13 minutes to show you my massive, thunderous, wondrous, Thor-worthy video. And yeah, this is insane. This is insane. Holy crap. I'm excited. So yeah, please let me know in the comment section below what you think of this haul. I don't know when I'm going to end up editing this video and uploading it. Should be within this week. It's just been crazy at work, but I'm super excited. Now I got some goals. Like, I gotta go hit up my LCS during like a Black Friday sale or something and fill out those Thor issues. Dollar bin time? Yup, 50-cent bin time, of course. So yes, enough rambling. I appreciate everything. You still being here and viewing if you're still here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you at the next stop. This is High Road Comics, taking the next exit.